In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pages and navigation on Squarespace 7.0. Whether you're building a new site or cleaning up an existing one, you'll learn how to add pages, organize your menus, adjust page settings, and safely remove what you no longer need. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open your site's dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, open Website, then choose Pages. This Pages panel is the control center for your site structure. You'll see sections like Main Navigation, Footer Navigation, and Not Linked. Main navigation drives the links in your top menu. Footer navigation appears at the bottom of your site. Not Linked holds live pages that don't show up in any menu, perfect for landing pages, thank you pages, or drafts you want to preview. To create a new page, click the plus icon next to either Main Navigation or Not Linked, depending on where you want the page to live. A menu appears with page types and templates. Pick the kind that matches your content, like a blank page or a pre-designed layout. Don't worry, you can rename and redesign later. Choosing the right starting template just saves time. To rearrange your menu, click and drag any page to a new spot within the same section. As you drag, a line shows where the page will land. Drop it, and your site's navigation updates immediately. Use this to fine-tune the order of links so visitors can find your most important pages first. You can also move pages between sections. Drag a page from main navigation down to footer navigation to feature it in the footer, or into Not Linked to hide it from menus while keeping the page accessible via its direct URL. When you need to adjust details, hover over a page title and click the gear icon to open settings. Here you can change the navigation title, which controls how the link appears in menus, and the page title, which appears on the page itself and in browser tabs. Add a concise page description to help search engines understand the content. If needed, set a password to restrict access. This is useful for client pages or private resources. Finally, to remove a page, hover, click the trash can icon, and confirm. If you're unsure, move the page to Not Linked instead of deleting it so you can restore it to navigation later. That's it. Log in, open pages, add what you need, drag to organize, fine-tune settings, and delete with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy building.